Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to go over a couple of problems about function inverses. So in the first problem we have the values of f of x are given in this table here. So we have the x values on the left and we have the f of x or the y values on the right. And we're asked to find the following values of the inverse function. So first we want to know f inverse of 0. So f inverse of 0 means that we're looking for a y value of 0 from the original function, and we want to know what x value produced that y value of 0. So we're looking in our list of y values over here for 0. Here it is. And then the x value that produced that was 1. So the answer here is 1. So the inverse function always reverses x and y. We plug in y, we get out x. Very strange, but that's how it works. For the second one here, f inverse of 1, we're looking for a y value of 1 from the original function. However, there actually is no y value of 1 listed here. We could maybe try to guess that it's like probably between these two y values. But since it's not actually listed here, this would be one where you should answer that it doesn't exist, rather than trying to guess where it's at. For the next one here, f inverse of 2. Here we have a y value of 2 in this row, and the x value that produced it was 0. So f inverse of 2 will be 0. The next problem is similar, but we're using a graph instead of a table of values. So the graph shows us the values of g of x, and we want to know g inverse of -1. So we want to know when the original g function is -1, what was the x value? So we're looking for a y value of -1, which occurs right... let me see if I can... Oh, I don't think I can draw in this mode. Hold on. No. Hold on. Okay, so we're looking at this point right here, where the y value of the original g function is -1, and the x value that produced that is 0. Okay, so when g of x is -1, then the x value there was 0. So for the inverse, g inverse of -1 is 0. Similarly, for g inverse of 0, we're looking at where does the original function equal 0? Where does it have a y value of 0? And that is going to be right here. So the x value there is 2. So this is going to be 2. And then the last one, we're looking at where is the y value for the original function equal to 2, which is right here. So the x value there is 3. Okay,